Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to create a selfie with a Virat Kohli or any other celebrity on your Google Pixel 10 or any other Android device using the Gemini application. In the latest trending, several people creating the video or a selfie with the Virat Kohli, Narendra Modi ji or any other celebrity. So if you want to create any celebrity with a selfie on your device, first of all open the Gemini application on your device. So here we open the Gemini application. Now tap on the image or banana icon here. Now tap on the plus icon to add your own image. Now select the gallery. Now select your photo from the gallery. So here we select this photo. Tap on a done on your device. Now in the prompt you need to add make this photo a selfie with a Virat Kohli or any other celebrity you want, and tap on the arrow icon and it will generate a selfie with Virat Kohli within a second or any other celebrity like a Shah Rukh Khan, Narendra Modi, etc. You want to create a selfie. So it will take a few seconds only, and now you can see generating an image. Now here is the selfie with the Virat Kohli. Now here you can see it will create the amazing instant selfie with the Virat Kohli using this my photo. So you can easily create a selfie with Virat Kohli free without any third party application using this Google Gemini AI on your device. Just tap on it, tap on the download arrow icon to download it on your device. Now you can see image download, tap on open, just one, and you can see how it looks a selfie with the Virat Kohli or any other celebrity. So quite easy to create a selfie with any celebrity on your Google Pixel or any other Android device using the Gemini application. That's it. If you like this feature, please hype the video. Thank you for watching this.